Here are 10 shortcut tips you need know this. To open the Emoji tab, click on the Windows plus dot. To open the Task Manager, click Ctrl-Shift-ES key. When you watch the anatomy, if someone comes to your room, I go directly to the lock screen Windows plus L. To open File Manager, Windows plus E. Open Windows widget screen, click Windows W. To open Windows Quick Setting panel, click Windows plus A. To open Windows Notifications panel, click Windows plus N. To get Screenshot, click Windows plus Shift plus S. To get Screen Record, click Windows plus Shift plus R. To open Windows settings, click Windows plus I. To open the program you use the most with the keyboard shortcut, come on the program, right-click, and go to the Properties section. After coming to the shortcut key section, press any button you want. I will press G. Click Apply and close Window. You can now open with the shortcut you set the program now. Thank you for watching. To support me, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment.